Hey guys, it's Steve with a early morning merch by Amazon pro tip. One thing you guys, like for me, I'm on tier 100, so I'm always thinking of ways, like to be able to maximize my designs. Because if you think about it, even 100 designs isn't really that much in the world of Amazon. Consider there's millions and millions and millions of products, right? Well, let's say like you're on the first tier. I think it's tier 10. My advice to you guys is try to maximize your colors when you're checking out with your t-shirts. In other words, like let's say you're tier 10, you might think, well, geez, I can only have 10 designs. But if you think about it, it's almost like 100 products online because if you do the 10 times 10, that's 100. So that's like having 100 designs. So my recommendation is I think you can use up to 10 colors, I believe, is from what I last checked, is that you can maximize each design with 10 different colors. Sometimes the colors don't work for the shirt, so you have to really check each color to make sure it works with the shirt. But that's how you're going to maximize even like the lower tiers of merch by Amazon. Like let's say tier 10 is by when you check out with your shirt, make sure you try to use at least 10 different colors, so that way it gives your customer that maximum options with your design, right? And I think you only need like 10 sales to tier up to the next level. I'm hoping to get tiered up to like I want to go up to tier 1000 because right now I've been doing like 10 designs a day religiously for like at least over a week. I've done 10 designs a day and I'm on tier 100 right now. But kind of hoping to get off tier 100. I think I have to sell like 20 shirts or something like that. Sold 6 last week. Um, Kind of got lucky with that. That's kind of you're thankful when you're a little guy like me. I'm only tier 100. Even like for a few sales here and there, I'm thankful because it's not my main job. You know what I'm saying? I actually have another job I do, part time, and I do merch part time. Try to make it all work. But I've done a lot of cool designs this week. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to at least one of my shirts or one of my pillows so that you guys can check it out. Been having like a lot of super lot of fun making the designs. So my best advice to you guys is when you're creating your images, try to make it your image like as much as possible. You know what I'm saying? I know they have those like like they have like different websites where you can get images from. But if you get royalty free images that you're allowed to use, make sure that you try to at least alter those images like to the best of your ability. Don't just try to like copy and paste a royalty free image because you never know. You might get dinged on it. There's nothing is ever guaranteed, right? So in life, so if you can alter the image to be more like your image, that's how you're gonna win with merch by Amazon and not get things suspended or taken down. Is if you're really trying to make the image yours, and you can use different programs. Like I like to use Canva for my T-shirt designing, so I use Canva. I use other programs, but it's a lot of fun, you guys. One thing I definitely do is I use Helium 10 for my keywords. I basically check all the keywords on Helium 10 to see what I should use in my title. You can get those high search keywords from the program called Magnet, which I'm going to have a 50% off discount code in the description. That way you guys can get half off at Helium 10 any tool or plan. I recommend the Platinum plan because if you get that, I think it's like I think it's like $50 to $100 for the Platinum plan. But with my discount code GetCheddar50, that will be half price. And that will actually come with Freedom Ticket for at least a month, which is a pro selling Amazon course. The guy that runs it does a really good job. He really cares about the sellers and wants you guys to succeed. So you can use my code GetCheddar50 to get 50% off any tool at Helium 10. You can get the black box product research tool, which if you want to just get that, you can use my half off. You can get Cerebro, which is a reverse ASIN check, which just basically means you're going to take your competitor's ASIN and do a reverse ASIN check to see which keywords they're using to rank their products. Guys, eventually, like with my merch account, I didn't get into PPC right away. Like literally, I had to wait. Like not even kidding, guys. I had to wait about 3 years to get accepted into PPC for merch. So I don't know if I just like somehow a magic wand got waved at Amazon headquarters or something, or someone got blessed by a rabbi or something, but all of a sudden I'm allowed to do PPC on my shirts now. I was doing PPC on my sink snakes, but now I'm doing PPC on the t-shirts, and I think it's been like a week. And the reality, I've only sold like 2 shirts with PPC, but I've only spent like I'm keeping my budget low right now. Like I've literally only spent like $20 on PPC this week. So that's actually good for me because I'm on a super tight budget. But if I can get some traction on the shirts, right, that's what I want. I want to get, if I could just get a few shirts to get some good reviews, like, high reviews, then my other shirts I believe would sell because once someone looks at one of your designs, they want to look at your other designs, and then that's where they're going to click your brand name, which my brand name is Faith Rising on my product pages. You just click that, you can see all my designs. But I'm trying to be kind of transparent with you guys because I feel like you deserve that. Like I'm not going to get on here and tell you that I'm getting rich from merch by Amazon because I'm not. But I'm kind of still like a beginner like you. But the truth is I am actually ranking my products on page 1. That's true. That's 100% true. My t-shirts are ending up on page 1 thanks to Helium 10's help and all the coaching that I've got from Freedom Ticket and from other Amazon sellers. I have a lot of Amazon gurus that I like on YouTube. Um, I like to do the reselling stuff, so I like to go to Goodwills and see what Goodwill has to offer. But if you guys haven't checked out my t-shirt designs, please click the link below so you can at least check out some of my designs, see if it's anything you might like to get. I'm trying to get tiered up to tier 1000, so if I can make some sales even on my YouTube channel, that'd be awesome. But anyway, you guys, if you haven't subscribed to this video, please do that. And don't forget my tip of the day, which is to maximize your colors when you're uploading. That will give you 10 options. So instead of just having one product for sale, with that one t-shirt, you pick the 10 colors. Now you got 10 t-shirts. You see what I'm saying? So you really maximizing those designs. So if you like this video, please subscribe. And thank you so much for tuning into this early morning video. I think it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. I've already uploaded 10 designs myself. So, guys, really just believe in yourself. You can do it. You can achieve your dreams. Just take baby steps along the way. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a great day.